So hello guys, in this video I will basically show you booting FreeRTOS on R by 3B. Okay, so let me show you the code that I will go through the code in another video. Here I will just build all the 4 core binaries, and that binaries I will load to the RPy through uboot console, and then I will directly jump to the core 0. Okay, so though all this experiment I will show you in this video. Okay, so this is my FreeRTOS code. Okay, this code basically I have written different LD file for each of the cores. Okay, different LD file and one make file. So inside this make file basically I will be building each of the binaries one by one. Let me first to make clean. So basically it has removed all the binaries. Now I will just I have to build the core 3 binary, core 0 binary. I will just do make rpy version equal to 3, then core 0 binary is already built, and the name is kernel 8.img, and it has moved to this folder. That folder I will show you. Okay, I am again making clean, and I am again building the core 1 image. So core 1 image, yeah, so this command I will execute rpy version 3 core 1. Then core 1 is also built. Again I will do clean, and then I will build a core 2 image, and then again clean build, and then I will build a core 3 image. Okay, so all 3 images I will build. Okay, now you can see these images are available inside the home shared directory. Okay, so we have this one is core 0, this one is core 1, core 1, core 2, and then core 3. Okay, now I will do scp of all these 3 files to my Mac PC. This is actually a Linux virtual system which I am using to build all these binaries, because here I have installed the cross compilers and all. Okay, so let me do scp one by one to each of these images. Okay, this one is core 0, then core 1, then core 2, and core 3. Okay, so all these images I have, it has sent to this slash private slash tft boot. Okay, so now let's go to the Mac where I will show you where all folders are there. So this one this one is that right side window is showing, right side this terminal is showing that space. If you see pwd, I am in users Aditya Kumar. Let's go to the private and tftp boot, and here we will see all the 4 images are there: core 1, core 2, core 3, and this one is kernel 8.img, this one is core 0 image. Okay, now so I will show you the video hardware, which all hardwares I have used. Yeah, so here let me try to show you which all hardware I am using. So this one you can see, this one is R by 3B. Okay, and this one is one USB to TTL logic converter, and since I'm using Mac, I don't have direct USB port, so I'm using one USB to type C converter, this one, and I'm using one more Ethernet to type C converter, this one. This one is Ethernet to type C converter, Ethernet connected, then I'm connected to type C to my PC. Okay, so these two are connected. So okay, yeah, so you can see here the uboot logs are coming. Okay, so let me show you some of the things which I have saved inside this uboot environment. Okay, so I will print the uboot environment. So here I am going to use tftp to transfer those binaries, core binaries to directly to the RAM, and then I will directly jump to the reset address of core 0. Okay, so for that what I have done, so these 3 things you need to set here. I will highlight those things, how to set that also I will give in description. So here you can see we have to set some of the things, those are like netmask. In this netmask we have to set. Other thing is server IP, we have to set. Server IP would be the same as your host machine where from where you want to take the image, and the IP address of this RPi would be this one, the 192. That will be this 192.168.7.2. Okay, so these three things you have to set, and after that I have directly saved the boot commands here. Otherwise I have to execute each of these boot commands one by one in the U-boot console. So see, you can see tftp, I am loading at this address the core 0 image, then I am loading core 1 image at this address, then core 2 image at 0x28,000 28,000. Okay, 2,80,000 and then core 3 at 3,80,000. Okay, and after that this md instruction is basically reading all the memory. Right now I also don't know why I have to read all this memory, because if I don't do this, actually this whatever data that I have loaded, that is not reflecting in the memory. That's why I'm reading wherever I have written this core images. Okay, so those I have already saved inside the boot command, so I don't need to retype here. I will just do reboot, and next time I will not do press any key. Okay, sorry, boot command I have to enter. It will reboot automatically and load all these files at the corresponding address. So here you can see it is doing tftp from that location, private and then tftp boot. It is loading from there to directly this location wherever I have given in the boot command. After that it will read all these 4 core binaries. Just see here it is reading. This is just because to make sure that whatever is written it has gone inside the memory. Okay, and after that it will jump to the directly to the core 0 binary. In the core 0 binary you will see now I've created a task where that core 3 will be executing. So you can see task had started. So and this task is getting executed by core 3. So I have only one UART, and core 3 is using that UART. Other cores are still in a while loop. Okay, that's why the other cores are not printing. I'm just showing how the code execution is happening for the core 3. Okay, so this is the final example which you also will be able to do if you will follow my videos one by one. I will show you how I have done this. So basically we are able to boot FreeRTOS using U-boot in RPi 3b. Okay,